Okay guys, let's start a new tutorial. How to notify the sales team on Slack for each new order via n8n. In this tutorial you'll learn how to automatically notify your sales team in Slack whenever a new WooCommerce order is created. This workflow will trigger a workflow when a new WooCommerce order is placed. Format the order detail, the customer name, the items totals and the status, and the Slack messages to the sales team in real time. This is perfect for e-commerce stores, agencies and teams that want to stay updated instantly and reduce manual monitoring of orders. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have the WooCommerce trigger. His purpose is to start the workflow whenever a new order is created in WooCommerce. On the configuration will be on the event here order.created. The resource will be the order. The authentication will use your WooCommerce credential API key, and what you'll capture will be this: the order ID, the customer name, the email, the items, the total amount, and the order status. After that, you'll have to format the order details, the set node. His purpose is to prepare a clean, readable message to send to Slack. So the values to set will be this: the customer name, customer name. This will be first. That will be JSON billing first name, JSON billing last name. Okay, the order ID, the order total, the order status, the items, and the message. For example, new WooCommerce order. Order ID, customer, items, total, and the status. After we format this order details, you will go to the node Slack notify sales team on the resource messages. His purpose is to send the formatted message to a Slack channel in real time. So operation will be post channel sales team or replace with your actual channel. Text will be JSON the message. I hope you enjoy, guys. See you on next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.